Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the how we are going to configure the company configuration. So company name, logo, address, currency, time zone and the fiscal localization. Let's have a look. So basically we are going to set up the legal and the brand entity that appears on the invoices, email and the storefront. Okay, so here you can see that we have a company, right? So here you can see my preferences. Here you can set your language. Here you can see set your time zone, right? And here the password and API keys, two-factor authentication, you can enable it from here. Okay, next one, that is go to your settings from here also, and here you get the company, so you can update the information from here, and here is from the logo. Then this logo will appear onto your invoices. If I go just check the invoices, any invoices right now. Okay, so let's print that invoice, and here I can see the logo of my company, right? So this is for that part, right? And you can configure any updation regarding the company, right? You can do, and here you can see that every information comes over here, right? So you can configure, you need to configure from here, where you have to go from the settings, company information. So here we have update the information. You can manage the companies also. You can add the more companies, and you can also add the parent company on which this company exists. So this kind of stuffs you can do from there, and you can manage your social media accounts also. Okay, so that is pretty much for the company configurations. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.